Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is Is It Worth It, y'all? And today, we just have a quick little update. I kind of have something really special going on, and I want to show you. And if you have an opportunity to take part, that would be amazing. Let me turn you around. I wrote a chapter in this book, and it is The Unsung Heroines of Business. Women who break through barriers, excel in business, and inspire the next generation. $1.99 today. I've already posted a post on YouTube and I'm sending out this video. So if you can spare $1.99 today, that would be amazing. You don't have to be from the United States. If you click on that link, you can order from any country, anywhere that's on that list. And you do not have to have Kindle to make that program work. So go check it out. My chapter starts on page 44. All right. Enjoy your day, guys.